Well, as you can see, we're having a nice family breakfast. Then darating ka at magsisimula ka na namang umiksena.
You know what, Caroline? I'm so sick and... No! You are not going to walk away from this! Never again!
God, stop! I just got back at marami na nagbago. Pero ikaw, ganyan ka pa rin? Yan pa rin yung issue mo? God! Caroline, move on!
I will not move on! You don't get to tell me to move on. It's so easy for you to say that. Why? Kasi hindi kayo namatayan ng ina. Hindi kayo naiwan mag-isa. Hindi kayo nga nasasaktan pa rin.
Bravo! Best actress. Ano? Paawa antics na naman about your mom. Caroline, can you go now so that we can enjoy our breakfast as a complete family?
Shut up!
Caroline, what the hell?
Shut all of you! Shut your mouth! You don't get to invalidate my feelings. You don't get to tell me to move on.
Because I know the truth.
George, halika na. Magkakasakit ka dito. Umuwi na tayo.
Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang.
George! George, magkakasakit ka eh. George!
Putik. Yan ka naman eh. Palibhasa kasi, alam na alam mo kung paano kukunin eh. Isang ngiti, isang kanta, isang akap, isang sorry. Wala. Umiikot na ulit ang mundo ko. Primo, matalino akong tao eh. Pero pagdating sa'yo, ewan ko, natatanga ako. Ano na naman ang kapalit? Kapag binalikan na naman kita, titigil na naman ang mundo ko para sa'yo. Ilang taon na naman ng buhay ko ang sasayangin ko.
George, I'm sorry.
What makes that story different from all of the other stories before?